In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pipedrive for advanced users. Start by logging in to your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, head to Deals and create a new pipeline. Advanced users often maintain multiple pipelines to separate sales motions, improve forecasting, and align teams with distinct processes. Rename the new pipeline to Sales Pipeline. This naming keeps reporting clean and consistent across dashboards and makes it easy for everyone to know where active revenue lives. Now add a new stage and rename it to 1. This stage is where you'll move deals that close successfully so they're counted in revenue reports. Add another new stage and rename it to Lost. Capturing lost deals is just as important. It gives you clean conversion data and feeds win-loss insights. Save your changes. Next, add a deal to the sales pipeline. Advanced users do this to keep a single source of truth for revenue, power automations, and weight forecasts by stage probability. Enter the contact person, set the deal value, and make sure the currency is correct. Select US dollar if that's what you use. Add a label if you categorize deals. Set the probability to reflect your confidence, and choose an expected close date to drive pipeline hygiene and forecasting. Click Save. Now go to your profile and open Company Settings. Choose Data Fields, then create a custom field. As an example, name it Lead Source. Custom fields let you capture the data you need for segmentation, routing, and analytics beyond the standard fields. Set the field type to multiple options, so reps pick from a controlled list, and you avoid messy free text entries. Add options like LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and others, then save. Back in your profile, open Tools and Apps, go to Automations, and add a new automation. Rename your workflow so it's clear what it does. Add an event trigger, select Lead, and choose Added. This trigger fires whenever a new lead enters your system. Apply the trigger, add an if-else condition. Conditions let you branch logic so different leads take different paths. Use the suggested condition. Lead source is, and select Web Forms for this example. Apply the conditions. Add an action. Actions are what the automation does after it's triggered, like sending an email or updating a field. Choose Email, select. Send email, click Next, then Next again, and apply action. Add your subject and the required fields, then write the body of your message and apply action. Add a delay and set it to 1 day. A delay pauses the workflow between steps so messages don't arrive all at once. Apply the delay, then save. To go even further, advanced users layer smart email sequences, build advanced reporting dashboards, and integrate with tools such as Zapier, Make, or QuickBooks. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.